Good morning, boys and girls, and happy Monday. Today we are going to be focusing on the number of the day. The first thing that you need to do is put your name up the top of your activity. You will find this activity in your work pack that was sent home with you last week. You now need to choose a number that is between 1 and 10 and write your number up the top here where it says number of the day. The number that I have chosen to focus on today is 7. Now I know I can't split the number 7 into two equal groups, so therefore the number 7 is a odd number. Next, you need to write your number in worded form. You then need to show me your number using tally marks. As you can see, I have a group of 5 and then 2 tally marks by themselves. Now we know that it's easier to count in tally marks when we group our numbers into 5, which makes it easier for when we're counting with bigger numbers. You then need to show us one more and one less using your number in an equation. So here I have 6 plus 1 equals 7, or 8 take away 1 equals 7. Moving on, you need to show your number on a 10 frame. So colour in the squares that represents your number. Next, you need to draw your number. Now you can choose a certain item that you like. Today I am going to draw 7 triangles. So here I have 7 triangles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Lastly, you need to show your number on a number line and the numbers that come before and after your chosen number. So as you can see, we have number 5, 6, 7, which was my chosen number, 8, and 9. It's now your turn to complete the activity. Try and choose another number that is not the number 7. Remember to upload your work on Class Dojo.